welcome back again. It's your girl ifymaey, and if it's your first time, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and comment down below. Let me know what you think after watching this video, okay? Alright, so before we proceed, I'm just going to wish you guys a happy new year. I hope you guys are doing safe because 2021 is about to be our year of blessings, happiness, joy, everything. Like whatever you call it, 2021 is going to be our year, okay? And I'm hoping to be more consistent this year, guys. Yes, hoping to be more consistent this year. Alrighty. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video because I love receiving gifts. So this is basically I should say late Christmas gift. So I received this box from RecoverFun and it is a mini massage gun, like you can tell from the title. So I am going to be doing a review on this box. It's my first time getting a mini massage gun, so I'll be testing it out for you guys so you guys can see what it's about and how it works and whatnot, okay? But before, okay, let's begin. How do you do this? How do you do this? Guys, I don't know. Is it just me? Like, I'm not the most patient person when it comes to unboxing. Like, I feel like whenever I get a gift, I just literally want to rip out the whole box. Because it's like, why do you have to be so tight? Oh, here we go. Iffy, come on. Patience. Patient. Okay. Let's do this, guys. Okay, so when you open it, this is what it looks like. Cute. Okay, so look at this. So I really like having mini pouches, and this is a yes for me. Yes for me. Look at that. So I guess this is where you store it if you don't want to keep the... Oh, this is so handy because if you so like if you're taking this to the gym, so like if you're going to the gym, you can easily just put the gun in here. How cute. How cute. Okay, and then we have the mini booklet which has all the instructions on how to use this product. Okay. Guys, ready for the gun? Oh my gosh. Look at that. It comes with, I don't know if I told you guys, but it comes with a charger. I have three massage headbands. I already tried each of them. I'm going to try them individually so you guys can see how they feel, okay? So you just put it in here. Pretty easy, guys. So yeah, like I said, you turn it on. Okay, this is the first one, and oh, ooh, this is like perfect for, I mean, that's what it's for, like after workout. So when you're done working out and you just need your massage. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, guys, I think I would need this the most. This is like the best. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I can literally sleep on this. Yes. Sleep while doing this. Feels good. Amazing. This is perfect for like your muscles, bones, your arms, your back. I think that one is like really good for your back. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, put it to the eyes. Oh my goodness, you guys, you know what? I would definitely recommend this for cramps. How did I just think about this? Like, you know how, I don't know about you guys, but if you're a girl watching this and you do really get like bad period cramps, this is very good for you. Like, you can rub this on your belly. Your headband is better. This one should be. Okay, let's try this one. I think this one should be perfect. Let's do this. I'm loving this. I am loving it. Ooh. This is basically a bonus for girls, because I'm telling you guys, I don't know about you, but I'm definitely gonna be using this for my belly. Like anytime I have cramps, this is gonna be my go-to. I'll try it and let you guys know if it works for me, but from what I can see, I already know it's gonna work, because like I feel so good right now. I legit feel like I just got a good massage, guys. You need to jump on this, okay? One thing I'm gonna say again about this product is that it is very lightweight and it's very handy. Like, you have your pouch, you can literally just throw it in whenever you're going to the gym, or like even after the gym, or maybe you're just going out on a mini vacation. You don't necessarily need to get like a big one. Like, this is so, that's why I like it. It's a mini gun. Pow, pow. But yeah, definitely check them out. They're really good. You're not gonna regret it, okay? I'll put all the links below in my description box. You should definitely check them out. Thank you so much, RecoverFun, for sending these to me. I do really love them. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.